Okay, we got the level calibration going. Okay, we got the second rate going. Now I'm worried about the wind coming up, because it's one of those breezes that, you know, it's not constant. It's just one of them that it'll roll in here for a minute and then it'll die out. So, but it actually is flying outside pretty decently, actually. That's full speed right there. See, there's a little bit of breeze coming from this way, and you see it's holding it up. So yeah, it's definitely not for any kind of, I'm talking 1 mile an hour, okay? So you can always tell which way the wind, see it, now it's coming at me. See how that thing's fighting to push into the wind. Actually, the wind is blowing it back. It almost hit me in the damn head because it's fighting the breeze. Okay, see it? If it had a third rate, there, it's gonna crash. Yeah, if it had a third rate, it would have been fine with a third rate. It'd have been great. I think it went into the fence. It did. That way you can just turn it off by tipping it down like that. Yeah, that little bit of breeze kicked up and that was the end of it. But actually, I think it's doing quite well, considering the fact that the design of the thing is just not made to have any wind hitting it, okay? It's just not, plain and simple. And here I am trying to dodge all this stuff. I was trying to get a little bit of a range thing going on here, because I know if I make it to the other end of the thing there, it's 80 feet, which is pretty. Oh, that ain't gonna work. That's crashing. I brought it down because it was starting to get away from me there. I wasn't gonna be able to pull it back toward me. It was just gonna keep going that way and going that way. And to keep it from going into the fence. So the range, you know, it still was binding right here all the way from there, and that's 80 feet. So the range isn't bad on it. Yeah, that's not bad. See, it's just fighting that little bit of wind. Just can't deal with it. I mean, it's pretty damn nimble, to be honest with you. It just can't take the wind. You know, that's it. I think the lights are flashing, and they are. I didn't even bother doing a flip out here. The flips are real tight, but I didn't even bother with it. All right, guys, there you go. That's it. Now I can go get warm. Okay. Woo! All right, guys, have a nice day.